Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making baked tilapia and potatoes. This is my tilapia, already washed and clean. And we'll be needing jangsa, it's a local African spice, red bell pepper and onion, my Goya seasoning, black pepper, salt, lemon pepper, and a mixture of spices and oil. That's oil in the bottom, and that's my potatoes chopped. I've blended the onion and red bell pepper. So now I put in my seasonings, starting with the lemon pepper. I have my mixed spices, which is garlic, onion, and some celery. Put in the black pepper, the seasoning, beef seasoning. I use it, if you watch my videos, I use it for most of my cookings. And salt, a little bit of salt because this fish was washed with a lot of salt. So I'm putting in my blended red bell pepper and onion on top of my fish and other seasonings. So I'm going to mix in to make sure the spice really getting into the fish, and I'm going to do so for all that is in the pan. And when I'm done mixing, then I'm going to put in my potatoes. This dish I thought I was going to be, and I'm adding in my Goya seasoning. Yep. So I have two pans ready for my potatoes. At this point I pour all the potatoes in one, thinking one tray will be enough, but at some point I had to switch to a smaller tray. I added an additional tray to get it to fit in all the fish. Yep. Yeah, this is a small pan. I reduced some of the potatoes and put inside, and this one will contain 3 pieces of the fish, and I'm adding in my Goya. It just helps to brighten the color of the dish. You see it is kind of reddish. At the end of my cooking, you see how it will turn out to be red and shiny. Yeah, putting in the rest of the seasoning on top of the fish. At this time I'm going to set up my oven to 400 degrees on bake, and while I cover my dish with a aluminum foil paper to cook for at least an hour. Yeah. So I'm adding a little bit of oil with the dish just to make the food shining at the end. Just a little bit. You can still do this without adding oil to it. It will still be delicious. Yep. So it's just going to cook in heat, in a steam. That's why I'm putting the foil paper over the food. Yeah. And you wrap it well. So my oven was already preheated at 400. So I'm sending in my fish. This is going to bake for an hour, and we'll see an hour later. The food is ready, as you can see. It is, you need to get the flavor coming out of the fish. So yummy. This is a new year meal 2022. We had some project going on in the house, and we didn't have time to actually sit and cook and make a whole dish, and so this is what we made and we had for dinner. And It was really delicious. My kids love it. And I know you're going to love it if you try this too. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.